Oh, no! No! I wish I didn't see that. So I asked you guys on Twitter to send me some PC memes. I have not seen a lot of these. I mean, I've definitely seen a handful pop up here and there, but I'm not on Reddit, like hardly ever. I try to stay away from Twitter whenever possible, so I miss a lot of these really good PC memes that I know are out there. So today we're gonna take a look at them together. Let's see what we got here. The one face that perfectly describes the battle between the RX 5600 XT and the RTX 2060. I love it when Steve's in memes. It warms my soul. You're a meme now, Steve. Damn you, he replied. FPS drops to 58, sigh, console peasant, something wrong me, you wouldn't get it. The fact he's smoking a cigarette makes it so much better. Are any of these The Verge? I don't think any of these are miraculously, this must be an old meme. Pre-Verge era, otherwise that would definitely be up here. Your CPU temperature has exceeded 8,125 degrees. Prolonged at this temperature may shorten the CPU's lifespan. If the worst thing that happened to your CPU at 8,000 degrees is that its lifespan gets shorter, hold on to that CPU forever. It's an amazing product. AMD's processors, AMD's GPUs, their drivers. That's accurate. It's so fitting that it's getting the death stare from the GPU. PC, Xbox, Mac. Can I show that on YouTube? Demonetized. What if you had a Hackintosh? Then it'd be like 50 of these strapped to this chopper. I wouldn't want to see one of those fly, man. PlayStation users, Xbox is gay. Xbox users, PlayStation is gay. PC users. Taste the rainbow. I'm so nervous. My squad, we don't need another teammate. Let's just get a random. The random. So true. It's so true. You're better off with like less players than an actual random. You're a liability, damn it. Did you play with your friends? Yes. What does it cost? My rank. Helpdesk level 1, we've got a helper. Helpdesk level 2, they're my friends, I've gotta help them. Helpdesk level 3, I can save him, I have to try. Sysadmin, who are you? Go away. Don't bother the sysadmin. System admin does not have time for your bull. Horror game, adjust so the logo is barely visible. Oh my God. Mother, can you please fix my computer? Me, leans back in chair. Well, 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 if it isn't missed, get off that computer. Years 1994 to 2006. Oh, someone's a little salty. Come on, it's your mom. Help your ma, help your ma. EA, flying is free. Landing is Oh, it's so good. When your girl handcuffs herself to the bed and tells you to do whatever you want. You got her right where you want her. Me, names myself Alt F4 equals admin. Random kid, leaves the game. Me, laughs in Sith Lord. Oh, you tricked him. $2,000 PC, yeah. $40 game, nah. That's so true. It's like that with everything though. It's like, you know, you see people with like these badass, like multi-$1,000 PCs and they've got like a $20 IKEA chair that they're sitting in 12 hours a day. Or their system's like on the floor. They couldn't spend the extra $20 to get like a 2-foot nightstand to put it on. Crazy, craziness. Me, task manager, Google Chrome using my RAM. I'm sorry, Chrome, crashing my computer. No, I'm sorry. Scumbag Chrome. Men be fine as hell, then boom, rainbow light up keyboard and 2 monitors. Then boom, even more fine. That's my girl right there, yeah. Yeah. Cyberpunk 2077, gamers should never be forced to purchase the same game twice or pay for upgrades. Owners of Cyberpunk for Xbox One will receive the Xbox Series X upgrade for free when available. Blizzard. We are Blizzard, we need more money. How to insert USB. Wrong, correct. Why is that true? Why does that always happen? It doesn't make any sense. My friend carrying the game, me getting carried, easy. That's me. I'm definitely Baby Yoda in this meme. It's a new game, pre-order. Pre-ordering is ruining the industry. No pre-ordering, Cyberpunk 2077 is coming out. Pre-order a little. There are exceptions to every rule. Paul always says this quote, it cracks me up. Never speak in absolutes. For Christmas, I want a dragon. Be realistic. RTX 2080 Ti. What color do you want your dragon? Dragons are cheaper. Everyone knows it, and she wants a red dragon, which is even easier. 60 FPS, Linus. 59 FPS. It's kind of like the other one we saw, but it's Linus, so it makes sense that he would have dropped a frame. Don't punish your child by taking their online games away. Log on to their games and get them banned. Ooh, modern problems require modern solutions. That's actually like what a really smart and somewhat evil parent would do. That's what I'm gonna do to my kids. I can't wait to be a parent. Who would win, a $350 router with scary spikes or a $3 Snaky Boy? If we're talking about internet speeds and nothing else, Snaky Boy's my boy. But if we're talking about like a physical fight here, like a fight to the death, you gotta give it to the Asus router. I mean, look at those scary spike legs. He's got a ton of it. By the time the cat cable wraps around one of these legs, the other 7 are going in for the kill. Yeah, there's just no contest there. Oh no, thing I finally have enough money to buy, sales tax. Sales tax is the reason why we can't have nice things, especially if you live in Southern California. Requires moderate skill for offense, great for blocking incoming projectiles. Heat seeking, pretty reliable projectile. Absolute friendship destroyer. I can confirm that on many accounts. Bored in Skyrim, save the game and kill everyone. Bored in GTA 5, act like a normal citizen. I remember times where I was just like driving through GTA 5, obeying all the traffic lights, you know, going the speed limit, honking my horn politely if someone cut me off. It really is like an LA traffic simulator. Mobile game ads, pew pew pew, the actual game. Yeah, I could see that. You know, I've seen some mobile games that do have some pretty good graphics, but yeah, the ads, don't believe anything the ads tell you. Never trust an ad, you know, unless they're the ones on this channel. 16 gigs of RAM, GTX 1070. i3. Oh, little processor. Look, its feet aren't even touching the ground. This is like a bottlenecking illustration. Although, if I were to redo it, I would just get rid of the 16 gigs. I would have the Core i3 in the back, struggling to carry the pipe. Like, it would be all the way to the floor while he's like, trying to lift it. And that would obviously slow down the GTX 1070, because that GPU will only carry this pipe as fast as the Core i3 will allow him to, which would be a bit more accurate of a visual representation for bottlenecking. But it's a meme. I get what they're trying to say. GG. Without trees. With trees. Much cooler. Trees in the computer. Next logical step would be to put trees in the computer. I mean, this joke aside, if you did put the computer in a shady area versus directly in the sun, it would stay a few degrees cooler. I'm just saying. It's all right, password. I'm insecure as well. Stop it. Stop! An actually good PC. RGB. What's he doing with all that powder up his nose? Stop it, Elmo. RGB is too addicting. It'll ruin your life. When you walk away from your computer but forgot you're wearing earphones. I haven't done that in a long time because I wear a wireless headset, but I've been there. I've been that duck. Or goose. Animal bird thing. When there's a nice path available but you struggle up the side of the mountain instead, I do as the marker guides. Yes, always take the shortcut. AMD released their big Navi GPU. NVIDIA, call an ambulance. AMD, NVIDIA's 3000 series GPUs, but not for me, ooh. NVIDIA's been one step ahead of AMD for a long, long time. NVIDIA's just got that next gen sweetness in its back pocket, just waiting for AMD to be like, look what we got, guys! And then NVIDIA just casually takes it out of their pocket that's been sitting there for a year and drops it on the table. Ba-boom! All right, go spend another year or two trying to beat us again. PC Master Race! Damn, look at that Terry Crews bicep. Ain't no bicep like a Terry Crews bicep. It dances. That is a fine looking specimen right there. Oh, no! No! I wish I didn't see that. It just hurts me. Oh, I can't help but cringe. This is the most cringy thing I've seen in a while. Those are beans. Baked beans, pinto beans, refried, it doesn't matter. There's beans in the loop. I just gotta ask one thing. How are temps? The ancient city of Asus. Wow, it does. It kind of does. All rusted and stuff. This could be Atlantis. Look at that socket. The socket's like the Colosseum. I just wanna live here after they clean it. Have to say, not a huge fan. Oh, what is that cool? What is that? A fan for ants? No, I don't like this one. This one always just makes me, just exactly, delete this. Someone's gonna see this and be like, oh, that's how you do it. You know that's already happened. Scientists, the coronavirus is spread through human interaction. PC players, thank God. Oh, I've never seen something so true. Watches you murder 15 people in the street, happily sells you a hot dog. He don't care who you are, where you've been, what you've done. He's hustling. Download, 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 download. I know, 50 download links. Only one of them's correct, I swear. Downloading anything these days is like playing Minesweeper. Nobody. Game and Mouse. Yeah, I blame MMOs. I blame MMOs and people's insatiable wants and demands. We thought 50 buttons wasn't enough, so we put 1,000 buttons on the mouse. Woo! Now, if only you could find out which one you're pressing at any given time. You know, I'm waiting for someone in the comments to be like, actually, I have the mouse with 36 buttons on the side, and I can locate each of them, no problem. Just shut up! Why the F would I absorb your beta? F out of here, fam. Who did he eat to look like this? Like 6 Ganondorfs? Why is he doing this, Simon? When your friend needs a revive, but he stole 2 kills from you last round. Karma Kermit strikes again. I don't know what the F is going on. Good luck searching for it online, though. Here's a useless number that Google has no results for. Try being, just kidding. If Windows B-Sods were honest, that's exactly it. Me, problems and responsibilities, video games. Oh, stop. Billy, it's time you learned about money and the importance of, Billy, no! Billy has the right idea, okay? Billy knows what's up. He knows that there's nothing more important that you should be investing in than PC upgrades. Good job, Billy. Actually playing a video game with our $2,000 computers, YouTube. Usually YouTube for me means work, so I'd rather press this button, but I have to press this button. When your team is trash, but you still have fun playing. So cute. The fudge you want me to do? Teams are stacked. Is there auto balancing or not? When you start using a new program really often, I would like to award you the highest honor I can bestow. Pin to taskbar. If they made like a Toy Story, but instead of toys, they were apps, this would be like the climax of the film. Brain, what is this exam's answer? Don't know, but your Minecraft base is... He's like, you, Brain. The girl you like, her first love, her best friend, her ex, her boyfriend, and you. Aw, you don't need a heat spreader to get girls. Just be yourself. Show her that bare PCB. She'll warm right up to those DRAM chips. Monitor 1, monitor 2, where is the cursor? Yes. My computer working fine. Windows updates. It's always lurking right there in the background, ready to strike, ready to F your day up. AMD 16 core 3950X, 32 core 3970X, 64 core 3990X, Intel. Sad cat. Stop crying and make some better products, Intel. Oh, look at that. Cooking a steak on a CPU. Must be a hot chip. I wonder if there's any point where the meat actually cools the CPU slightly. Like, what's the thermal conductivity of meat? Bad signaling, Gamers Nexus. My reaction if I don't win free merch. That's because I said whoever gave me the dankest memes would win some free merch. This is the reaction. I really need to switch up my expressions and thumbnails, don't I? Finally building a new PC. It doesn't boot up and down. Been there a few times. FIFA players, FIFA 20, FIFA 19. The harder you smash the button, the stronger the attack. Not with a digital controller or keyboard, but if you have an analog keyboard, there's actually some truth to that. Oh boy. way too much bandwidth. Linus sex tips. Sorry, Linus. Okay, I'm gonna call it here, guys. I think I've seen more memes in the last 30 minutes than I have in the last 3 years combined. So thank you. Thank you everyone for submitting these awesome memes. We didn't even get through all of them. We probably got through like 3/5. There's just too many memes. Maybe we'll do a part 2. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Thank you guys for submitting though. I'll definitely be reaching out to a couple of you for some free merch. That's I don't know why I said it that way. Merchandise. If you'd like to buy some merch to help support what we do here on Bitwit, head to bitwit.tech. Thanks to everyone who's already purchased something from the store. It really means a lot, and it does make a huge difference because everything we make from our merchandise sales goes straight back into the channel to continue bringing you great content. Hopefully you think it's great. If you thought this video was great, smash that like button, or else the YouTube algorithm will pour water on your socks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys in the next video.